Hey everyone. Sorry I wasn't able to get, I was going to do a video last week and my husband did not want to be here. So I would sleep in, eat, get ready, and we would like maybe run errands before we went out. We went to see light shows and stuff like that. So for his mental well-being, he just needed to get out of this place. So that's why I didn't get to do a video. So I'm going to do the Let's Get Astrophysical. It's my favorite one. It's so pretty and mauvey, and so I didn't put anything on my lid. You know what? I think I'll just try this MAC paint pot. So this pretty pink right here, I thought it was a glitter. It's the only one that doesn't have two glitters. It's actually just a very shimmery shadow. Oh wait, that's very gritty. It is very gritty. You know, when I got the, I didn't go for the for the beige one like everybody else did. I wanted to try the pink one. You guys see this shadow is super shimmery. It's not glitter though. And then, of course, that's going to be the crease color. And then, of course, that beige. I'm going to use, yeah, I really abuse this brush, but I'm going to use this to put the glitter on. Very crumbly, but it is a beautiful color. It's all over my face. All right, let's Anyway, I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I wanted to show you that I took the little stars from here and just put them in my eyes with my wrinkles. I don't know if that was a great idea. And then I just use the Happy Boost blush. Little hearts here. Let's put on the highlighter. I do this right. Oh, yes, mamacita. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that is really nice. That is pretty. And for my nose, I don't really dip it in there. I just kind of like take whatever's on the brush and put it down my nose. And then for the lips, I decided to take these two colors. This looks coppery, but at the same time, it looks like a rose gold. But I'm going to put this pink color over it. I don't think it even needs the pink color on it. It's really pretty. I'll just go put a little bit. No stopper. Look at that. Oh boy. The stopper must be, yeah, it's in the top because it didn't do that before. So that's the finished look. And sorry, I didn't do my nails. My nails just all broke. One of them broke really, really, really low, and it's like this big gap in my nail right here. I just cut them down really low, but yeah, like I said, everything's just taking me twice as long to do now. I just cut them down really low, and so sorry, I don't have my nails done. And I got it's all yellowed from the polish I was using last month, the copper polish. So I never like to do a video without nail polish, but I think I've only done that once or twice. So I just wanted to say sorry.